Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix if your laptop or desktop screen is freeze or stuck on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's start. Method 1. Press Shift key, Control key, Window key and B button. It will refresh your graphic driver and fix your issue. But if this simple method does not solve the problem, and if you are still getting the same issue, then follow the next method. In this method you have to press Control key, Shift key and Escape key. It will open your task manager. Now select Process tab and you can see all these are the applications or services. Now see if there is any application which is consuming much percentage of your CPU or your memory. In that case simply close that application. For that select application and right-click on your mouse. And then click on End Task to close this application. After that go to Startup tab and disable all the startup applications. For that select application and right-click on your mouse. And then click on Disable. Similarly disable all the startup applications one by one. After that again go to Process. And here search for Windows Explorer. Select this application, and then click on Restart option. It will restart this Windows Explorer, that's it. So this is the 2 easiest steps to fix this issue. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.